To download the Pinterest videos to your gallery, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and I'll about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to download the Pinterest videos to your gallery. Now to do so, make sure that you have already installed the Pinterest app on the device. So if you have not installed it, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the Pinterest app, and this is the homepage of Pinterest where you'll see various options at the bottom of the taskbar, and this is the page where they will show you various photos and all of the video. Now from here, you just need to select the videos or which you want to download. So if you want to download something like this, or if you want to download the video, search for the option of videos like this from the search box and click on the option of search. So after a certain time, you will see the videos which you are able to download. So you just need to copy the video link. So simply copy the video link, and from here you may simply copy the link like this. And the thing is that you can't simply download the videos from the Pinterest itself, so there is no option of that. You just need to open any web browser on a device, and from there you just need to search for the third party website like Pinterest video downloader and anything like that, and you just need to paste the link which you have copied from the Pinterest and click on the option of download to download it. So after doing that, you'll be able to download the Pinterest video on a gallery. And the thing which you can do next is that you just need to select the video and you just need to simply screen record on a device. So if you are able to screen record on a device, then this is also the way of downloading the video on a gallery. So that's it. That's how you can save or download the Pinterest videos to a gallery. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.